in Jaipur, there was a museum, and I'm from Jaipur, right? So I was working with a museum. They were working majorly. They were working specifically with Rajasthan folk artists of all kinds, but mostly music. But then they started reaching out to other art forms, painting and Madhubani painting, and Meenakari and whatnot. And those guys, that museum was built to showcase the works, the auditory works of these musicians. So the Mangniyars, the Langas, the Bhopa, Bhubi, these are all different communities in Rajasthan. And so they actually recorded those songs over, I don't know, I think 10 years or so. They recorded those songs and then put them in a museum. And at the same time, they preserve those instruments that I'm talking about, like which are getting lost. They preserve them as part of the museum, as well as they started documenting the process of making it. So sent out a team to these villages and actually started documenting how an instrument is getting made, so that they can actually share it across with people long term. But sadly, the museum itself has closed because there is no funding, there is no grants, there are no donors. No one really understands or believes or thinks that art has value. And that essentially comes down to the basic problem that do we as a society, and then it also starts with the artist itself. Like, do we as an artist value our own art form? And in what way do we value it? Right? So essentially, I feel that it comes down to that right now artists want to become an artist, but all for the wrong reasons. That hey, I want to gain like a massive audience, or I want to become famous,